Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be talking about stylalgia. Stylalgia is pain in throat because of elongated styloid process. Stylalgia is also called Eagle syndrome, and it is because of elongated styloid process where the length of the styloid process is more than 3 centimeters radiologically, or it can also be because of calcification of stylohyoid ligament. So in both these conditions, there is irritation and stretching of the glossopharyngeal nerve, which causes pain in the throat. The clinical features include pain in the tonsillar fossa in the upper neck, which is aggravated on swallowing, and most of the times it is unilateral. So whenever a patient comes with a unilateral pain in throat, we should always suspect stylalgia, and this pain is because of the stretching of the glossopharyngeal nerve. The patient may also complain of ipsilateral earache, which is referred ottalgia, because of the common supply between ear and tonsil, that is ninth nerve. The diagnosis of stylalgia, it is clinical. It can be by transoral palpation, where digital palpation in the tonsillar fossa, we feel the elongated styloid process, or it can be radiological by X-ray AP view with open mouth or lateral view. So in this picture, we can see two views. On the left side, it is the AP view. On right side, it is the lateral view of the skull. And here we can see that the styloid process is elongated on both sides, and which is marked by red arrows here. The treatment of stylalgia, it is styloidectomy. That is cutting of the styloid process. It can be by transoral approach or cervical approach. When it is by transoral approach, it is done after tonsillectomy because styloid process is located in the bed of the tonsil. So after tonsillectomy, styloid is dissected from the bed and the excess length is cut. Or it can be by the cervical approach also, whereby the styloid is reached by incision in the neck. Thank you.